Hi, you guys are in luck because I have 99 bananas. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with 99 bananas, this is their flagship. Me growing up, 99 bananas was everything. You were able to put this in anything, and one of the things I used to drink was called Gorilla's milk. You would pour this in like a Bailey's or some sort of like any other sort of cream, right? Cream-liqueur, and it would taste like banana chocolate milk, like banana milk. Like it's phenomenal. It's actually one of my guilty pleasures with Nestle, which is you can usually order it like on Amazon, but you never really see it in the store. I used to drink that a lot. So, um, having 99 bananas here is very nostalgic for you boys. So let's just read what we got going on. 99 proof, 49.5% alcohol by volume in the one shot. Yep, it was this and Boone's Farm. Very nostalgic. Yep, bananas all day. It has the more artificial candy fragrance. It smells like what those runts banana taste like, the little candy, the runts. And that banana one, the little banana candy one, that's what it smells like how it that would taste. So let's just wait. Did you get your shot? Did you get it? Good. All right, here we go. Yep. Artificial banana. It also banana Laffy Taffy. If you're trying to figure out where's that banana at. So it's always going to be that candied banana, not a regular banana. So let's like go, you know, don't be like thinking like that. This one's going to be more of the artificial. So here we go. Just as I remember, it doesn't seem like they changed their formula. Creamy, banana, but yeah, that banana's nice. Like I haven't had this in decades, but the bananas is nice. Now, what would you use this for? Is this good for shots? No. Is it good for sipping? Uh-uh. This is what you mixed with at all times. Usually at some of the bars I frequent when I was younger, they always had 99 bananas. So anytime you had like a fruity cocktail, right? Or something tropical, they'd always give you a shot added to it with the 99 bananas just to give it that extra kiss. So you're looking for a good way to turn up your mixing skills, always grab yourself a 99 bananas. This is their flagship. It's what I grew up on. The 99 brand itself, if you get your chance to see it in a party pack, you know, when they do the little singles in a party pack, pick it up and try the flavors. And then hopefully you'll find a couple of good ones in there. I definitely recommend quite a few. Some work, some don't. But 99 bananas and a lot of their fruit ones cannot go wrong. And until next time, guys, cheers.